we're getting up, boys.
Yeah, let's go over it.
Big back on the. Oh, another one. Shit. I need like one.
Team over there.
Is he fighting? I was gonna search that fuck up, bud.
I'm gonna save my loadie.
By one reason.
Katakan nakar, tarakar. Tak.
It's on top.
Oh shit! Those fuckers, bro.
What happened?
They took my phone, right? Take his phone, take his phone. Like, what the fuck? There's group of teenagers, bro. Oh shit, we split.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Fuck them.
Hi,
Can people with you?
I got 3.
Well done.
Where?
I killed one already.
Bye. Right here.
Where they at?
They on me.
One behind you.
Bro, I got confused.
Yeah.
Really got you with this, you know.
Hey, let's push back off here, over here. What take to a city? Before they win the game.
Fuck, I never even get my loadie. That's stupid.
They're still over here, this guy. One on prison. Jumping down. One over here. One in there. Listen. Oh, jump back in. Downstairs. All the way downstairs.
Cat. Stop lying to you too, buddy.
Hey, frick.
Oh my, nice teammate. Here. Not me. Stop here.
That's a little kid. He was talking shit.
Yeah,
Do
bro,
you hear
that
him?
was a kid. This guy over here. Yeah.
On the roof. Behind you, behind you. They got the load up.
Nah, bro. No way.
They're down there. Down there.
Do you see my name? You see my name?
You know. Get up there.
Right here.
Oh, behind me. Fuck. Right here.
No.
These fucking bitches. Empty. I'm still coming back. On the road by my stuff.
Oh no! Hey, mother,
Same
what
little
the
boy.
fuck?
What?
Still alive. 20 seconds.
You just fucking watching my shit on the road. Emily, lay down. Go to sleep. Turn it off, and go to sleep. Hear me? You did enough, eh? You did enough for a load off. It's fire sale. You guys can buy one load off on the boat.
Alright. Let's try.
Oh, shit. It's over. Man. Okay, get enough.
Finally, I'm gonna get my loading.
What?
Over there.
Keep the
Come
pressure.
here. Hey, bro. That range right there, bro.
Upstairs,
Drop top.
upstairs.
That will fuckers laying down.
Hey, bro, they're on
Yeah,
top.
they
Oh shit!
Ah,
One
fuck
down,
me.
two alive. Pushing you guys. Hit the buy! Hit the buy! Everson! Yes, sir!
Hey, they're down here. They're down at the entrance. I saw. Shooting flares up. They're down there. They're down there. They're coming in.
Bro, they just brought back their teammate.
Hmm?
Someone guards down here. Two of us guard down here. Get away from the window! All right there.
Get away from the window.
Yo, Jesus.
Time real quick. Oh, fuck it. Fuck it. No, they're pushing you guys.
What the fuck on your right?
Oh.
One landing 5. Officer. Oh shit, there's 3 of them.
It's like two.
Oh, 2 of them.
Only boys here.
Let me see. That's a 10-year-old boy, Atari. Wait, let me see. Wait, what's his name? Lieutenant Rasa?
I said turn it off and go to sleep.
No, I just sent him an invitation.
No! Bro, wait, hold on, bro. Nah. What is they doing? They put the list, bro. I'm like 100 hours old. I have 500.
Raza is funny. Raza wanna snipe. Hey, you guys snipe? Yeah?
What happened?
Do you guys play snipe sometimes?
No.
Like, this guy wanna snipe. That's my favorite shit. I'm coming in with you. Give me like 20 seconds.
Oh shit.
Wait, you can get out loadout. You guys stand over here. Get out loadout. Jump down over here.
Alright, so we're back.
They're not that good. They just gang up. Oh shit, a loadie. Thank you, bro.
What? He just jumping the.
Kagiri kara pisto. Kara sa ini.
Down one. Down two.
Cause they so low too, bro. What the?
Hey, yes, the perks really work, bro.
For real?
I swear, bro. Like, your L is generate really fast. While you kill somebody and somebody keeps shooting at you, your out go full while you kill somebody. So you cannot go down while somebody's shooting at you at the same time, you know?
Oh. Shit. Oh my god. Oh, can buy one. Easy.
I got you.
Someone just pop a thing.
Right there. But they're still looking for money. One down. Another one on the road. Oh, he got the pistol.
What the fuck? No fucking way, bro. One on the catwalk too. Something down. Yep, fuck it, it's my shit. Oh, they took my fucking insight, dog. I got the boom. Wahoo! What the fuck, man?
Oh, this fucker, bro.
What the fuck, bro?
Betul nghe dia bunyi.
Wait. Let me see something.
Pacifist. Zimbong.
Alright, nice playing with y'all, man. I'm gonna go snipe.
Alright.
Yo, what?
I mean, are you ready to go down to the beach? Have you sunscreen? No. Come on, the sunscreen's in the bathroom. Let's go. Okay, Mum. I want to. Toilet in the world. Congratulations, you're real.
No. Why are you dodging? What's up? What's up?
What's up, man? Yes, sir.
You got your golden sniper
You ready for my golden sniper?
This is big, bro.
Hey, it's a play, bro.
You beat me twice already, remember?
No, you lie. Never beat you, bro. Lieutenant! Damn it, you tripping. I never beat you, bro.
Wow, bro.
Sorry for the hold up, folks. We just have to check on some musical statues. Sit tight.
Wait, what's 20 questions? Well, you ask us questions about ourselves and we answer them. Why don't you have a wife?
How do you know I don't?
Do you have a wife?
Well, no.
What the fuck? Yo, do you see the free stuff? Do you guys have the free stuff on the store? What the fuck? Yo, that's crazy. Yo, that's a lot of it. That's a lot of shit. I'm downloading it right now, bro. Fuck yeah. Oh, that's like $20 or something. Free. Free $20. Yo, bro, that's crazy. Do you see it?
What?
The free bundle. What? No, that's a sniper too on it, bro. Tripping. Alright, you missed it out. Fuck. Hey, you gotta back out and put it in again, bro. Give it to me, bro. Let me do it.
Yeah.
When you're in the loading screen, you gotta go all the way to store and come back again. You wait a couple seconds. Oh shit, the formula doesn't work, sir. Oh no, it's... Oh shit. Who's inviting me? Let me see. Main 691 Bonaby. Who's that? I don't know who's that.
Whoever fix this shit, nigga.
Chill, bro. I'm making it right now, bro. You cannot even edit the you tried earlier. Now I can.
Okay, hurry up.
Alright. Damn, bro. This guy really wanna kill us, bro. Shit. You tripping, bro. We're just friends. See the time? 6:40.
Did you fix your settings yet?
I don't know. I just used the regular stuff on it. Whatever they put it on, I just use. Whatever they use, I just, you know. Oh shit. Trigger abuse or something. Are you ready to rock? What? A hard scope, brother?
Nigga, what
Hey! Oh my god. Let me see. Oh, that's a nice shot. Marcel, why you like waited out? Where are you, bro? Run around, bro, nigga. Oh shit.
What?
That's I kill you. Turn around. Wait, what the fuck? Every time I try to shoot the other nigga kill me, bro. Oh, this time it's gonna be fair fight. Hey, dude, what the fuck? Let me see, let me see. Tracker. Gotta switch something. I know what's going on.
Oh my goodness.
What? Oh yeah. Don't be going behind me like shit. I'm a quick scoper, bro. Oh what? You didn't even kill him. Oh my. I ain't saying shit. What?
Damn.
Yo. Oh, sometimes I still get those. Just switch out. You gotta get to the rhythm, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I do, bro.
Oh.
Better not knife me, bro. Oh shit, I missed. What? No, don't tell me you are you're dead. Yep, what the fuck? No, I know what is hard scope, nigga.
You are supposed to?
It's alright. What the fuck? Yo, that's 3 times in a row, bro. I ain't trying to come and die on you, nigga. Yeah, why you hide on the corner, huh? Why you hide on the corner, bro? I thought you were here to snipe. Why you confused?
What?
Why you confused? Hey. Damn, 21 is crazy. How the fuck the fucking X just... Oh my god, where the fuck the X go, bro? Motherfucker just eat the corner. Stop hiding in the corner. Eee, you just staring at me and shooting. What the?
Of course.
Oh, sorry, bro.
Oh.
Peace. What the fuck? No, don't act like Spider-Man, bro. Oh, what the?
What you say?
Young.
What?
What the fuck? Hell no. You know, don't get me to the rhythm, cause once I get to the rhythm, everything is over.
You wanna die?
Oh, that's a fucking hard scope, bro. Damn. That's all you gonna do me, bro?
Oh.
I'm killing for you. Why are you missing all that shot? Don't tell me you're gonna hard scope me, man.
Oh.
Man, I tried to shoot you, but I turned. Hello. What? Yo, bro. I'm gonna take that opportunity. I'm gonna take that opportunity. Hey, where the hell are you hiding at, bro? Oh my god.
I'm not hiding, bro.
Show your fist then. If you're not hiding, show your fist. That's here, go. Show your fist like that. What the hell? The hex is amazing, bro. Don't be running too much, man. Oh, why you are? Yo, bro, let me see, bro. What the fuck?
Hey, yo, I just texted
Oh,
you.
no, you did an art scope. You did an art scope.
You hard take the shit out of me.
You talking about, bro? I'm the quickest in this building, bro.
Well, she clicked it, she clicked it.
What? See the fucking... Oh, you gonna shoot me, bro. Oh. Yo, that's crazy. Using all that shit. Oh! Mm. Oh, this guy. Hey, fuck that. Fuck that. Sit down. That's how you shoot. Hey, what the fuck? Yeah. That car explodes, dude. Sit down. Hey,
Sit down.
Are you, Rasa? I ain't come over here to hide, man.
No one's hiding, nigga.
Oh, that flashlight is crazy, bro. Damn.
They glint?
Oh, you better not do that. Oh my god.
Why you running around crazy, yeah?
Hey, that's how you learn, bro.
Why you running around crazy?
Nigga, are you guys shooting me together at the same time? Nigga, you guys suck. Yeah! Nigga, you so suck. You got married, daddy. Get the fuck down. Get the fuck. Oh!
You sit the fuck down, nigga.
Man, you know what it is already, bro. I try to talk to you. Hey, who you trying to kill, bro? You ain't gonna kill shit. There you go, hey, bro. There you go. What?
Oh,
Oh
you
my god, you cannot
lucky.
do that to me, bro. You will never do
I'm
that.
out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. Kill me. Kill me. I'm out of ammo.
Get your friend. Your friend is an easy target. Oh, I lied, bro.
Yeah,
Yo,
you fucked your
bro.
shit up.
Yeah, you spinning and fucked me up. But after I beat you twice, do you go and search YouTube?
I know you guys. I'm a spectator. I want to see.
Oh, let me
I'm gonna kill you
customize
guys,
my.
man.
Hey, how do you customize your spray in here? Huh?
Huh?
You go to operator. How do you customize your spray?
Nigga, what the fuck you mean spray?
The
Hurry
fucking
up.
reaction.
The sensitivity?
No, the reaction, the celebration.
You don't need that. Come on, you guys go.
How do you
If
set
it's
it
not
up,
beat
bro?
you, if it's not beat you, you're ass.
Man, chill the fuck. Came from the guy that I beat the fuck out too easy, bro.
Yeah, cause you're golden. That's why.
Yo, bro. you thought your friend gonna beat me when I beat you so easily, bro. You tripping.
Come
First
on,
of
bro.
all, I'm gonna use a white shirt so you can see me all over the place. No excuse, alright?
Let me see. If this guy beats you,
You better hard scope to beat me. How do you do the emoji, bro?
only CDL has it. You don't have it.
Man, how the hell you have that celebration on your shit then?
Cause I play zombies. Come on.
Oh shit. Fuck. Oh, I didn't even fix the shader. I just started. Do you want your friend to beat me, bro? That's why you want me to be here, bro? So Chad, Lieutenant Rasa wanted me to be here so I can get beat up. That's all we want. What? Hey, what we're playing to? What the hell? Yeah, I'm moving so damn weird. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? No, you thought you'd do something? Mmm. Yeah, I'm moving weird, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. What the fuck is this? This guy's scooting at the corners. Hey, what the fuck? Yo, hell no, that nigga hard scoped me, bro. If he hard scoped me, nigga. Man, that's a hard scope, nigga. What the fuck? You want a hard scope, nigga? That's what you get. That's the same shot you gave me, bro. That's the same shot. Yo, I'm moving weird. I don't know what the fuck is this. What the fuck? Like, I cannot moving so fast. Fuck that. You spectating me? Get the fuck out of here. Don't spectate me, bro. You're making my move so damn slow. Yo, what the fuck is this? I'm moving so fucked up.
Yeah, well, no. No.
I think I am different. I'm the only one of my friends who doesn't watch movies. I wish I wasn't different.
I'm sure everyone will like the Grandkids different. Don't spill 'em, Dingo, don't spill 'em.
Well, I'm not gonna be different anymore. I'm ready for movies.
Oh, this nigga is a bitch. What the fuck, yo? I'm moving so weird. Fuck that. You know what? I have to restart my shit. Fuck that. I ain't gonna take this.